the expanded form of a number. ताई say how many hundreds, how many tens and how many units are there in 824? Sonu say 824 means 8 hundreds, 2 tens and 4 units. Tuni say this means that 824 equal to 800 plus 20 plus 4. Nandu say by the same method how to write 203. Salma say 203 equal to 200 plus 3. Tai say that is a right, of course, but it is a better to write the expanded form as 203 equal to 200 plus 0 plus 3 because it tells us clearly the digit in the hundreds, tens and unit place. In the same way, the expanded form of 80 will be 80 plus 0, and if we take the single digit number 9, its expanded form can only be 9. See the example. Write the expanded form of the following numbers: 998, 34, 287, 534, 76, 31, 90, 45, 30. This example already solved on board. Right, student? This topic again see on digital board.
The expanded form of a number gives how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many units are there in 824? 824 means 8 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 units. Exactly. This means that 824 is equal to 800 plus 20 plus 4. By the same method, how to write 203? It's so easy, Nandu. 203 is equal to 200 plus 3. That is right, of course. But it is better to write the expanded form as 203 is equal to 200 plus 0 plus 3 because it tells us clearly the digits in the hundreds, tens and units place. In the same way, the expanded form of 80 will be 80 plus 0. If we take the single digit number 9, its expanded form can only be 9. Now children, let us write the expanded form of the following numbers. Let us take an example, 998. You can write it as 900 plus 90 plus 8. Now, another example, 34. 34 is equal to 30 plus 4. Then to make it more clear, let's take another example, 287. You can write it as 200 plus 80 plus 7. Next one, 534. 534 is equal to 500 plus 30 plus 4. Another one, 76. 76 is equal to 70 plus 6. 301. 301 is equal to 300 plus 0 plus 1. Well, now we'll take 90. 90 is equal to 90 plus 0. Let us take 45. 45 is equal to 40 plus 5. Now in the end, let us take 13. 13 is equal to 10 plus 3.
I hope all students understood this topic On next lecture we will see next topic. Thank you.